Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. I'm here just to give a quick shout out to 2 channels that I want to say hello to, and hope you guys stop by and join the channel. I will have the links in the description box below. The first one is Tanya from Memory Lane Keepsakes. She had a Sweet Treats collab. She still has going up to the end of the year, and I entered into a hidden drawing and won a little sticker set. So she also sent me this nice card that says hello on it. I love that punch. I have that punch. It comes in handy. And I love this pumpkin colored card. It says, hello Dawn, thank you for watching and playing along with my Sweet Treats collab September 2018 hidden giveaway. Congrats on your winnings. Enjoy and happy crafting. Your pal, Memory Lane Keepsakes. So she had this carnival set, sticker set, as her hidden giveaway, and I won that. You know, it's always fun to win. So make sure you go past her channel, give her some love. She is a wonderful paper crafter, and she also does do sweet treats in real life as well. She has a business doing that. So check her out. And then I also received a surprise birthday card in the mail from Sheshe. Hey Sheshe, and you know her, Sheshe Crafts, and it says happy birthday. And I remember, she did it in my colors too. Black, red, and gold. So I love it. And I remember she showed this die and how to use it. She got from Atlanta Crafts and the words as well. So check out her channel. And she just says, hope you have a wonderful, blessed birthday, crafty hug, Sheshe. And she sent me a little paper clip. My cow print on it. I love it. So thank you again. She does a lot of card making, a lot of crafts and creative things to use your tools. So check out her channel as well. So both of their channels will be in the description box. Drop by, join, like. I was sure you'll be surprised and enjoy their crafting styles. And tell them I sent you. All right, take care. God bless. Bye-bye.